Hello, students. I hope you all will be well. So, this is a very interesting chapter, or we can say the novel which is written by the Ruskin Bond. So, the novel name is The Hidden Pool. So, you can easily understand by this also that what is it about. So, it means that something which has not seen by others. So, that is a secret. So, that pool, we know this thing that it is a place where that there is a huge amount of water is collected and where people go and enjoy the adventurous things there, and they take bath, they swim there, they play in the pool also. So it is a very enjoyable sport, we can say, the or we can say the activity which we do in the water. Okay, so sometimes we face or we see such kind of things in our boyhood when we are a boy. So what we do, so that we see such thing in the villages particularly, and it is a Himalayan region where it is happening. So, firstly, we have to know about the Ruskin Bond. So, Ruskin Bond is one of the famous author or writer, we can say, or the novelist of India, and he was born in Himachal Pradesh, but currently he is living in Mussoorie, so which is in Uttarakhand now. So, he has written so many novels and writings he did in his life, and he started writing at the age of 17. The first novel which he wrote, that was Room on the Roof, and because of his writing he got so many awards also. So he loves nature so much, so that's why he has written those things which are of natural conditions or related to the nature. And particularly he has written many things regarding the children also, that what are the different situations which the child experience or the childhood uh, period experience. So we have to just look that thing in this. So there are so many people who like nature, है ना? They love nature so much, they consider them as their friend. When they get any chance to go there, so they do not miss that chance. So the author is also telling about this thing that nature is an ally and companion, है ना? So means that nature is a friend and he is a partner, okay? So who always support us. So it is a very memorable moment of our life which we come across, okay, in our life. So that poet is telling about this, okay, that what he has seen there. So we have to just discuss now. So in this chapter, that you can see that poet is in the forest, and the condition of the weather or the environment is very disturbing. So that it was the rain which is about to come, and it has not come, but that poet is just looking, okay, above, and he is experiencing that the rain is about to come. And what he was doing, so now that he is just leaving that forest, but he felt the smell of that weather, ke that sometimes you see ke that when rain is about to come, so we feel the coolness in the air, कहीं ना कहीं हवा के अंदर एक ठंडापन आ जाता है आपका. And the sky will also become cloudy also. So this kind of situation was there at that time. And so he was going to his home, but instead of that what he did, तो poet that author क्या करता है आपका, कि he did not go to his home, and he came across the path of the forest, and he saw many things when he was going on the way in the forest. So he saw many thorny shrubs also when he moves, ठीक है, on the way in the forest. So he gets the sound of that water also which is moving. So that was the rushing water, means that is falling very rapidly, and it was coming at the bottom of the hill. So it means that it is coming from the top of the mountain, so or the hill, we can say. So we all know that there are so many rivers which are originated from the mountainous region. So that water comes down, ठीक है, and it flows in the form of stream, or we can say the river, ठीक है. So that water comes in the rivers and it increase the volume of the river. And now come to the second paragraph, that I had to slide down a rock face. So when he got this sound, so what he thought, so that I have to just see that where this water is going and where this river is going. So he is coming down from the rock or the mountains region where he was moving, and he saw a ravine. So that was a very small or the little ravine. So ravine, ठीक है, is such thing which, ठीक है, is very deep and it is made between the hills. तो आप देखेंगे that on the right side and the left side there are hills, but in that there is a space or gully we can say, and it's very deep and where the water, ठीक है, flows. तो जहाँ से पानी क्या करता है, flows करता है आपका, and it joins the river. So that he saw that thing, and there was a stream which was flowing there. So stream means river, and it is flowing over the bed. ठीक है, so and bed of the that pebbles. So single is a word here. Single means that these are the small small pebbles, ठीक है, जिसके ऊपर से क्या कर रहा है आपका, वाटर मूव कर रहा है आपका, एंड इट इज कमिंग डाउन फ्रॉम द हिल साइड. सो हिल साइड मीन्स इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द hills here. And after that he saw that there are so many grasses also and the shrubs also and different wild flowers which we see, because in the forest or mountainous regions, so we came across such things. So these are the natural vegetation, and that water comes through passing through these different things. So after that what happens, that when he saw this thing, so that the stones which he saw there, so these are very smooth and they were of different colors also, like gray, yellow colors. And one waterfall was also coming down from the mountain top, means top of the mountain. तो waterfall कहते हैं झरने को आपका. So sometimes you see that when water falls in huge amounts and it just falls down, ठीक है, at the bottom of the hill. So it just cross a very high height. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक लंबी हाइट को क्रॉस करता है. then it makes a deep hole also there and it is converted into the pool. तो वो किस में चेंज हो गया आपका, pool में हो गया. so you see sometimes there are so many people who go for adventurous things, so like in नैनीताल, मसूरी, या फिर आपका शिमला जाते हैं आपका. so they see such pools there and they take bath, they swim in that, they enjoy so much there. So poet started experiencing those things and he felt very nicely there. And after that what happens, so when he saw that pool, so he was amazed, he was very happy, and he started running to his home. वो घर भागना शुरू कर देता है आपका, because he was excited to tell about this pool to the others. Means others जो यहाँ पे कौन है, so these are the friends, ठीक है, whom he was, ठीक है, interacted mostly. तो so he did not go to his home. Instead of that what he does, that he told about this, that to the friends, and the friends names are Anil and Swami. So firstly we have to know about that who are Anil and Swami, where they lived. So Anil lived in the Dilaram Bazaar which is in Dehradun. तो ये एक जगह है आपका देहरादून के अंदर, दिलाराम. So he was living there, and the nature of this Anil was that he was very naughty also and very dangerous also, है ना, that that he was very energetic also, and people had a fear of him also, because the mood of this person is very different from the others, na? So when his mood will get changed, so nobody knows this thing. But apart from this, that Swami had a different nature. So he was very sensitive, he was very serious person and very humble also, because the way he talked or the way he just interact with anybody, so it was very nice. But that all of them had a this thing that they all were friends. So Anil had a sense of fun and instinct for adventure. So we all know, so adventure means that something which is very challenging and exciting, and people like to accept such challenges. So any activity which is enjoyable but, you know, dangerous also, means there will be some challenges in it. So that is adventurous thing. So they all were studying, ठीक है, in the same school, but that author was senior to them. So there was nothing like this which they felt among themselves, and they usually chose the adventurous viewer to have. So that you know very well that whether person is junior or the senior, but when they come for any sport or when they play, when they enjoy, so they forget about this thing also, and author also forgets about it, and then they started involve themselves in this. And the author is telling this thing that nobody knew about this pool, so it was his discovery, because he found this pool, because nobody had came to know about this. So no one as must know. So now come to the last one. So that I think it was the pool that brought us together. So this is the pool or hidden pool which, ठीक है, made us together, or because of which that we joined together, and because there was nothing like this which could join us, तो हम तीनों एक जगह हो गए आपका. एंड among us that Swami was the best swimmer. तो हम में से सबसे ज़्यादा जो best swimmer था that was the Swami, and he started diving from the rock and just means jumping under the water like a graceful golden fish. So graceful means that which is very pretty golden fish. So the way he was jumping or means going in the pool, so that was very exciting, that was very amazing. So but Anil had a long legs and arms. Despite it that he had a fear and that he was not so skilled in this, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसको है ना, वो ही वॉज जस्ट गेजिंग और लुकिंग के दैट कैसे स्वामी जो है क्या है ना, डाइव कर रहा है आपका. सो ही वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग दिस थिंग है ना विद एक्साइटमेंट that I have to do this thing also. So author also I could dive off a rock too, but I usually landed on my stomach. The way you know very well that everybody has a different way to tackle the things or to do the things. तो यहाँ पे ऑथर जो है वो अपने बिल्कुल सीधा होके है ना जंप करता है आपका पूल के अंदर. सो दिस इज अ थिंग विच दे डिड इन दिस.